code in my classes Python too. My idea. My project was inspired by a game called GameKit. GameKit is a game that has different modes to have fun in. The whole point of GameKit is to answer questions so you can get more energy to play the game better. I created a new game better than GameKit called Coding. The game is a game where you can answer questions and also create different sets of different questions. You can use this game to test the knowledge of your friends of different topics. Code example. The one you see at the top left is the code I use for my main menu. There was 3 options. 1, create a new set. 2, play a set or exit. The second code is like if you press create a set. At the top it says what do you want to name your set and how many questions you want in it. And down here there's two inputs, and it is basically saying what is the question and what is the question and what is the answer to the question. And then what do you want to name your set, and then how many questions can you answer, 1, 2, 3. And what is question number 1? What is my name? And then the answer is Tommy. Question number 2 is what is my favorite sport? And it is basketball. And what day is it today?
It's amazing. Is it really Friday?
No, it's Thursday. And then now we can play a set too. And now this is the questions I did to create a set. What is my name? Tommy. And okay, good job. So I got that one right. What is my favorite sport? If I say soccer, it is going to get it wrong. And if I do Wednesday, I got it right. And then this line means I got 2 questions right. Thank you.